May I have quiet, please? Thank you. Hi, I'm the statistician. And yesterday we were looking at the frequencies of some categorical variables. And today we are doing the same thing by drawing some bar charts. And we are utilizing the ggplot package. Okay, let's go ahead, shall we? And again, we are using the Wakefield package for creating random data. And hopefully you have it installed on your computer. So let's see. We have a sample of 1000 and 3 factor variables: sex, eye color, and pet. And I would recommend to use data frame function around this, our data frame. Okay, so let's see our factor variables. See that there are 5 levels in both of our variables. And we want to know the frequencies of each level. So first we must load the ggplot package, and then we draw a bar chart. And the formula inside the ggplot is simple. First we define the data, and then inside AES we have the variable which we want to use. And this alone doesn't do much, but if we combine it with the geombar function, it will draw this bar chart. And we can see that dog is most common pet among our sample of people. And we can also add some information about the gender differences. And we can do it by defining filling color. And here we have the gender information about the sum of each pet, but this isn't very intuitive, so we want to separate the bars, and that happens when you have a definition of position dodge inside the geomBar function. Now we can see that, for example, there are more dogs inside male category, and looks like women do not have a pet more often than male, but these are of course not proportional, so you cannot do any inference from this data. And we can do all kind of custom things here. For example, we can change the color. We have a function scale fill brewer, and we have a palette to set to be paired, but there are many palettes, so you might check them out and choose the palette you like the most. Alright, and we can also have a third variable, the eye color, and we will have it as a filling color, and then we can draw separate boxes for our sex variable. In this facet grid function you have this formula period tilde and then your variable. And we can also have custom colors with the scale fill manual, and then have the values. This can be hexadecimal, but I'm using the names. And I found out that the tan4 and tan3 are quite close to the brownish color. Okay. But what if you don't have the observations, but the sums of each categorical level? For example, you have the numbers of each pet in the table, and then you convert it to the data frame. So you have only 5 observations. Now geomBar will show a warning if you try to run this. It will say error, stat count must not be used with a Y aesthetic. But you can overcome this by having a definition inside geomBar, stat identity. By default it's stat count, but with the identity it knows that the Y variable have the number you want to use. Okay. And with tables we can have more variables, for example the gender, and as a data frame it will have another variable called var2, and we can use it as a filling color. And here I have adjusted the width of these bars when you have this position dodge with larger than the width here, then the space between the bars will be this minus this, so in this case it's 0.1. Alright, and we can have more categorical variables. We can also use a proportional table. In this case we have the information about the share of each pet level within the different eye color and within the gender. So for example, 41% of pets are dog within brown colored male. Alright, and as a data frame it's very simple. We have yet another variable here which we can use as a facet. So here we have the filling color set to be the eye color, and then the facet grid I've put the gender here, and I have also some custom axes. For y-axis I have the percentage sign, and for x-axis I have nothing, empty. So hope this helps you.